Hey yo, Jamal, what are you doing?
The refrigerator hit me!
You mean you hit yourself with the refrigerator?
Alright. You know what? I got something for your ass.
A few moments later.
No, seriously, Jamal, what are you doing?
I'm grilling my refrigerator. I'm debating if I want to throw it away or not.
You're seriously gonna throw away a brand new refrigerator because you think it hit you?
Nah, it hit me. That damn thing hit me.
It's just the refrigerator. You're bugging.
You know what? Alright, fine. You right. I'm probably just tripping. I had a long day. Still want some water though.